So I have to work today, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to do lips with Builder Gel. Not too bad, but yeah, at least I know how to kind of do it now. They do look like lips, but I did all Valentine's. I gotta go to work, so I got some filing to do, but I need to do it when I get back. Oh, tomorrow. And here's my left hand. I did like lips. I put these hearts under those white ones. Marble. Don't mind me, I'm watching Cutler's Court. I gotta hate this thumb. It's always crooked, but yeah, I don't have time to finish filing, so I had to put clear on it and call it a day. But these are actually cute. Yeah, I gotta file these points. But the lips look cool. Okay. Anyway, so I don't know why it's not focusing the damn bling. But I did marble. And I got some lips in here too. Yeah, I'm going to show it better in the sunlight. But these actually look cute with lip. Okay. I should have put a tongue in there, but now I think this Builder Gel created a monster. Because now I'm like, okay, what other shit can I be? So I've been fucking doing different shit. But I'll show you the full set finished tomorrow when I'm finished. And I could finish totally. My baby's sleeping. He was having dreams. I wonder what dogs dream about, because he was definitely crying in his sleep like he was running. But yeah, I like this one too, the white hearts inside.